Yeah, we're having a pretty bad storm.
Oh, I wanted to hit me.
You can hear the hail.
The bird.
Oh my god. There's gonna be a lightning strike in a second, watch. Look at it, it's like a hurricane. Wow, look at the big freaking thing that just hit the car. Look at the hail. Look at it.
Come here, Christopher. The hail's fucking huge.
Chris!
Look at the size of these hails. Look, watch it bounce off the car. Look at them. You see them? See the chunks?
Oh shit.
Oh my god. Exciting.
That's crazy.
This is gonna dent up all the... Look at it! I don't know if it can, yeah, I don't know if it can show though. Whoa, look at the hail.
Oh, the hail's huge.
Oh my god. Look at the shit!
Is Timmy home?
No, they're out. Oh my god. This is gonna dent the car. Look at the hail!
Oh my god.
There's no way. Whoa. This is the biggest I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. Yep. Wow. We probably shouldn't be outside. I watched this on video. Look at the size of this shit.